Okay, I'm pretty sure you would have seen this coming. After we do exponential equations, we're going to do solving logarithmic equations, because once we do one side of something, we usually do the other side of that same thing. These are logarithmic equations because we have the x trapped inside the logarithm. So log something of x, log, that looks bad. That should be log of x, not log base x. These are really easy also. I know you don't like it when I say things are really easy, but if you know what you're doing, it doesn't take that much work, is what I mean by easy. All we have to do with these is go back a couple sections and convert them into exponential form. If we've got log base 5 of x is 4, that means 4 to the x power to the is x. So if I write it like that, 5 to the 4th power is x. It's no longer an equation, it's already solved. X is just 5 to the 4th power, which would be 625. Here, we don't have a base written, so you know what that means. That means we're talking log base 10. So we've got 10 to the negative 4th power equals x. If we write it like that, 10 to the negative 4 equals x, again, we're already solved. And 10 to the negative 4th power is going to be 0.0001. Easy enough to do in the calculator, but you know, the powers of 10, it's always point some number of zeros 1. Here, natural log means log base e. So we start with e to the 3rd power equals x. Again, already solved. All you need to do is pop e to the 3rd power in the calculator, and you should get 20.08, give or take. Okay, those are real simple, straightforward ones. This one's a little bit more complicated, but you handle it the same way. 2 to the 5th power is that. 2 to the 5th is equal to 10 plus 3x. 2 to the 5th power, you can figure out in your head or in the calculator. That's going to be 32 equals 10 plus 3x. Subtract 10 from both sides, divide both sides by 3, and you get x equals 22 over 3. Or whatever you put in the calculator and get a decimal for. This one's a trick question. This is not a logarithmic equation because the x isn't trapped inside the log. The x is already alone on one side. So all you have to do is figure out what log base 64 1/4 is. And that's just converting using the change of base formula. Hope you remember that. Only a couple of lectures ago. The log of the thing over the log of the base. And I believe you would get 6th. Negative 1/3, I think is what you should get there. Log of 1 divided by 4 divided by log of 64, negative 1/3. All right, hope that wasn't too painful. Next one won't be any more painful than that.